Welcome to Keswick, one of the most beautiful towns in the heart of the Lake District. Nestled between the stunning Derwent Water and surrounded by dramatic fells, Keswick is a true gem, waiting to be explored. As we make our way into town, the drive itself is an experience, with rolling hills and breathtaking scenery all around. Every turn of the road feels like a picture postcard come to life. Keswick is full of charm. From its bustling market square to its cosy cafés and traditional shops. It's a town that blends history with a warm Cumbrian welcome. Of course, no trip to Keswick will be complete without visiting Derwent Water. Known as the Queen of the Lakes, it's surrounded by wooded hillsides, walking trails and peaceful little islands that you can see perfectly from above. Strolling along the lake shore, the calm waters and mountain reflections create a sense of peace and timeless beauty. It's no wonder so many artists and poets have found inspiration here. Whether you're here to take a boat out on the lake, hike up to Cat Bells, simply enjoy a gentle walk, Keswick has something for everyone. Keswick is more than just a town. It's a gateway to the magic of the Lake District. A place where adventure and tranquility meet, and where every view feels unforgettable. Thanks for joining me on this journey around Keswick. If you've enjoyed exploring with me, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures around the Lake District. Thank you for watching. Blue skies and happy flying.